to find where the alignment mark is for this row. And I'm going to do that by finding the highest point in my design, which happens to be this curl right here. And we just, used our finger and we're tracing to find that highest point. And I'm gonna line my piecing ruler up with the top of that design in two places, because that'll let me get my ruler nice and straight. And then the other thing I need to do is align it with the side, the quilting line going up and down the side. So I'm looking for the farthest place out it quilted, which would be, you can see the straight line right here from where it was optimized. So we're gonna take that straight line and I'm going to line up against that, and I've lined up against the points. That means that the top right corner of this ruler is my alignment point. So I'm gonna put a little dot right there, and that's where I'm gonna use to mark this row. So even if you don't know where the alignment is, you can easily find it, because what we're doing is doing the green box on Quilt Path, right? So you can see on my design too that we have the curls at the top that I'm aligning with, and I'm finding that, the curls on the top that we're aligning with, and I'm finding that point right there.